on outfit like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I get raw chill. 10 different looks and my looks so cute.
What's up guys, it's your girl Char Dion and I'm back with another freaking video.
Some viewers may find this disturbing. Your discretion is advised.
So today we're gonna keep it really short, really simple, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put on false eyelashes. We go ahead and get into the video. You guys already know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so you want to make sure that you guys join the gang. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay guys, so I kind of have something kind of special for y'all. So definitely if you've watched some of my other videos, well, my last video, you guys know that I launched my own lingerie line, but I also feature some 4D mink lashes. They're 100% mink lashes, girl. Go ahead and get you some. So with this video, I will be going ahead and using these bad boys, the Bad and Bougie lashes, and they look like this. So that is what they look like. They are very, very glam, but very lightweight. And I specifically chose these ones for this eye look because it did get a little dramatic with the look. So I wanted to keep the eyelashes very, very nice and toned down. And these are also very, very perfect for beginners. So if you are a beginner with lashes, at least for me when I was starting off with lashes, it was very imperative that I started off with something that I could handle, something that was lightweight. So the Bad and Bougie lashes are definitely lashes that are beginner friendly. They are only $10, guys. They're 4D 100% mink lashes and $10. You can't beat that with a stick. So pretty much they open up like this. And when you get your lashes, the one thing you don't want to do is rip them off of the packaging. To be very, very lightweight, what I do is I always take them out of the cassette. So they're just in the cassette like this. And a lot of people use tweezers. I've never personally found the tweezers to be helpful. I felt like you had more stability with your fingers. So we're gonna go ahead and do this tutorial with your fingers. So you guys just want to take them off from corner to corner. And I like to start with the right side corner. Here's what they look like once they are off. So once you have both of them off their cassette, like mine are right now, you pick them up with your fingers and you want to measure them to your eye. The easiest way to measure them to the eye is to make sure you have a mirror, and it has a really full-size mirror. So I really like to use this one because the mirror is just so huge. Okay. And once you measure it, you just kind of want it to go from corner to corner. You don't want any sides poking out. You want everything to look nice, clean, and cohesive. I kind of already know my eye because I wear lashes so much. You definitely want to try to trim from the outside, not the inside. Remember that. So once that's done, guys, you want to go in with a glue. I prefer a lash glue, but since I'm out of lash glue, I've just been using regular black hair glue. Don't judge me. This stuff lasts. Like, hair glue, you can't go wrong with hair glue. You know your lash is not gonna fall off if you're in the wind, flapping away, looking like a bird. She was using hair glue. I know she was using hair glue. I just have some regular Salon Pro Super Hair Bond Glue, and this is what it looks like. Glue, nothing special, okay? You get this at the hair store for like $1. I also have a very, very old e.l.f. liner brush. It's very, very thin, so I like to use this to apply my glue on my eyelashes. What you want to do is you want to line just the bottom row of your lashes. Some people do the top because they like to put their lashes underneath their natural lashes, but I just put mine on top because that is way more simpler. Okay, now once your glue is on, you're gonna want it to get tacky. Tacky pretty much just means that it's like sticky. You don't want it wet like how it is right now when you first apply it. So we're just gonna wait. I like to blow it a little bit. I don't wait too long. Some people say I don't wait long enough, but it works. My lashes don't fall off. So this is good enough for me. Just want to blow it just a little bit. So the easiest way to go about it is with our mirror at an angle, and we're going to angle the mirror. We're not going to look down at the mirror. We're going to kind of look up. We're going to look straight, and then our eyes are going to be tilted down to kind of see the bottom of our lash. And the reason why we do that is so you can better navigate it, because if you're trying to look and put them on top, it's going to be very, very hard. So definitely do it like this. This is a tip that I learned, and a lot of people on YouTube don't talk about this tip. So definitely do it this way. It will help you. Okay. So we have one lash on. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing just with this eye, and it should be a lot easier this time now that you guys have fumbled around a lot with this one. This one should come a little bit easier. Just remember, face forward, mirror tilted, eyes looking down, and you should have it. Practice makes perfect. So let's go ahead and do the other one. Okay, you guys, so we have on both sets of lashes. So I hope this tutorial was super helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure you guys go down below in the comment section and fill it up. I will always answer you guys. And make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's kind of lit over there. Follow me on Instagram right here. If you guys want to stay updated on my life and new things that I'm doing, I always post on my story, so you definitely want to be following me on Instagram. Also, if you guys like these lashes and would like to purchase them, make sure you guys go ahead over to my site, luxseduction.com. I'll link it down below, and purchase these lashes. These are always $10, and make sure you guys go ahead and use my discount code down below in the description box as well, and that is definitely exclusive just for you guys. So definitely go ahead and purchase some of these lashes, and as always, stay new, stay true, and be you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.